So this soul, and you can see if we're talking about the two halves, the development of each half may be different, mightn't it, at any one point in time? So let's say the male here, he has grown up in an environment where mummy nursed him until he was 20, and she's still cooking for him at 20 and still cleaning up after him at 20, and he basically is still reliant on mummy. You know, he lives at home still and hasn't matured very well. And then on the female side, she might have left home when she was 16. She's looking after herself, cleaning up after herself, you know, preparing her own meals and washing up after herself. Now, obviously, she's more developed than he is. Can you see? In terms of self-responsibility, self-love. And so she will be more open to receiving the truth from God than he will be, particularly about issues of self-love. Right? So it's going to be dependent upon the individual development and the individual's growth development as to how much information can be received. But bearing that in mind as just something to keep in mind, you still have the operation of the conscience and you can ask any question you like.